Drying out this morning, there are some areas of fog. Those will clear away in the next couple of hours. The big change today will be to the temperatures. Much cooler on this Sunday with readings in the 50s far north, low and mid 60s for many. Some towns closer to the coastline could be flirting with 70 degrees later on today. It is a mix of sun and clouds. There may be a spot shower far north this afternoon, but for all of us, a gusty wind kicking up out of the west. We could get some readings close to 30 miles per hour this afternoon. Rough surf continues at the coastline from an ocean storm that moved through yesterday. High surf advisory continues through 8 o'clock tonight. There is an elevated risk of rip currents for beachgoers along the coastline today. Speaking of the coastline, it's also day 3 of the Hampton Beach Seafood Festival. That runs through 6 o'clock this afternoon along Ocean Boulevard in Hampton. The weather looks great. Bright skies, though keep in mind it will be windy and a bit of a cool feel out there. Now, while southern New Hampshire basks in the sunshine today, the higher terrain will likely be stuck in the clouds and even have some scattered showers this afternoon. Hikers, please keep this in mind. Not only is the weather going to be very different, but look at the temperatures up at the summits today. Upper 30s, lower 40s, and with the strong wind, it will feel even colder. So make sure you're prepared and honestly have some winter gear with you before hitting the trails in the higher summits this afternoon. Tonight, skies clear out, the wind relaxes, and temperatures turn cool overnight. Near 40 north, near 50 south, but many of us in the mid to upper 40s. Tomorrow, the wind is not as active, and it's a little bit warmer. Temperatures reaching the upper 60s north, but low and mid 70s south. A fair amount of sunshine heading into Monday. There will be some clouds drifting through late in the day, and a weak weather system could bring around to some showers to far southwestern parts of the state. Temperatures slowly warm up over the next couple of days. By midweek, we're approaching 80 degrees, and we likely will get back into the 80s for high temperatures Thursday and then again on Friday with high pressure and control. After that round of showers late Monday, it's nothing but sunshine for mid to late week and through next weekend.